Have you ever stopped to wonder about one of life's most profound paradoxes? Look around. A single sea turtle lays 100 eggs on a sandy shore, hoping just one or two might survive the treacherous journey to the sea and back. A tiny sea turtle hatchling crawling toward the ocean. A field mouse can produce a dozen offspring in a matter of weeks, multiplying its presence exponentially. Close-up of mouse with pups. Yet, an elephant will carry a single calf for nearly 2 years, dedicating decades to raising it. Wide shot of elephant mother and calf. What is the logic behind this incredible diversity in life's most fundamental mission, to continue? It's a numbers game on a cosmic scale, a puzzle of survival. This isn't a random quirk of biology, it's a calculated strategy, a secret playbook written by evolution. Each species, from the smallest insect to the largest whale, is making a bet. Is it better to flood the world with countless chances, knowing most will fail? Or is it wiser to invest everything you have into a single, precious successor? The stakes are nothing less than existence itself. Think of it this way: life is a game of energy. So, what is the grand design behind these choices? Scientists have a name for this field of study: life history theory. Now, that might sound complex, but the idea at its core is beautifully simple. It's the study of how organisms allocate their energy throughout their lives to achieve the ultimate goal: successful reproduction. It's about the trade-offs. You can't have it all. If you grow fast, you might not live long. If you have many babies, you probably can't invest much in each one. If you invest heavily in one offspring, you might not have another for a very long time. Life is a series of compromises. Imagine you have a limited amount of money to invest. You could buy 1,000 lottery tickets, each with a tiny chance of winning. Or, you could pour all your money into a single blue-chip stock, nurturing it for years with the hope of a large, secure return. Neither is inherently better. They are simply different approaches to dealing with risk and uncertainty. Life history theory shows us that nature is a master investor, and every species has its own unique portfolio, shaped by the environment it faces. It's the economics of existence. How long does an organism take to mature? How large does it grow? How many times in its life does it reproduce? How many offspring does it have each time? And how long does it typically live? Danger, stability, competition, opportunity. Let's dive into the world of the R strategist. The R stands for the rate of population growth. These are the species that play the numbers game. They are the lottery ticket buyers of the natural world. Consider the humble house mouse. It lives in a world fraught with peril. Cats, owls, traps, uncertain food supplies. Its life is often short and brutal. So, what does evolution tell the mouse to do? Don't wait. A female mouse can become a mother when she is just 6 weeks old. She can produce a litter of up to a dozen pups every 3 weeks. It's a frantic, explosive reproductive strategy. Most of her offspring won't survive. They will fall prey to predators. They may succumb to the elements, but that's the point of the strategy. By producing so many, she dramatically increases the odds a few will make it. A few will survive to have their own litters, continuing the cycle. The mouse isn't investing in the survival of any single individual. It's investing in the survival of its lineage through sheer volume. It's a high-risk, high-reward approach perfectly tailored to an unpredictable world. The individual is expendable. The genetic code is everything. The goal is to reproduce before your time is up. Now let's look at a truly spectacular example: the Pacific salmon. This fish spends years in the vast open ocean, growing large, storing up energy. Then something incredible happens. It feels an ancient, irresistible call to return to the very stream where it was born. Its journey is a grueling marathon against the current, leaping over waterfalls. Now, let's shift our perspective to the other end of the spectrum. Welcome to the world of the K strategists. The K here refers to carrying capacity, the maximum population an environment can sustain. These are the blue-chip investors of nature. They favor quality over quantity. They favor stability over explosive growth. There is no better ambassador than the magnificent elephant, an elephant mother gently guiding her small calf with her trunk across the African savanna. 22-month pregnancy. The longest of any land animal. A single 200-pound calf is born. This is just the beginning of her investment. The calf stays by its mother's side for years, sometimes a decade or more. It learns from her. It learns from its grandmother. It learns from the entire herd. It learns where to find water during droughts. It learns how to interact with other elephants. It learns how to avoid danger. The mother and herd provide a protective edge. Someone no my the educational bubble. Females will only have a few calves in a lifetime. Each calf has a very high chance of surviving to adulthood. It's a strategy built on wisdom. It's a strategy built on patience. It's a strategy built on social bonds. Take to the skies and consider the wandering albatross. This master of the ocean winds can live for over 50 years. Like the elephant, the albatross plays the long game. So, where do we, Homo sapiens, fit into this grand scheme? Are we R strategists, like the mice, or K strategists, like the elephants? We are a unique and complex blend of both. Compared to chimpanzees, we reproduce relatively quickly. Human mothers can have children every few years, while chimp mothers may wait 5 years or more. A human baby is born utterly helpless. It needs astonishing care for a very long time. Childhood and adolescence stretch out for nearly 2 decades. That extended dependency is a massive K-strategy investment. It's about passing on culture. We spend almost 20 years teaching our offspring language, social rules, tools, accumulated knowledge. This is our evolutionary superpower. Rapid reproduction plus deep investment in each child's brain. Our large, complex brains are the ultimate K adaptation. Are you in a mouse phase or an elephant phase of your life? In an unpredictable, fast-changing industry? Maybe a mouse strategy is best. Try many different projects. Learn a wide range of skills. Say yes to many opportunities. Found your passion, your life's work. Invest deeply. Focus all your energy on one major project, one deep relationship, one complex skill. If this journey sparked your curiosity, don't let it fade. Engage with us at Omniverse Network.